Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 GMC 1500 AT4 crew cab. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, memory seats, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel. This truck is four-wheel drive, also has the AutoTrack all-wheel drive, AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth of course, nicely appointed. Our AT4 has the 6.2 liter paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, spray-in box liner, and off-road tires. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 GMC AT4, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.